trailered it all the way out here with Jace. And we got the jalopy right here. All right, you guys, thermostat housing is pulled. We are gonna remove this thermostat, clean it all up, put a new gasket in, a little bit of RTVE. A little bit of a mess was made, as you guys can see in the time lapse, but it is all cleaned up now. So we're gonna take that out, new gasket in, put it back on, hoses back on, fill it back up with coolant and add the additive, and the coolant should be ready. Okay, you guys, we got the thermostat out, new gasket on, everything hooked up. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this VP Coolant Improver, dump 2 bottles in there, fill it back up with coolant, and we should be good to go and test it, see how the coolant levels are. Pretty easy job. All right, you guys, it's honestly been a long day of getting this rat rod ready for the race, but it's all done. It's all done. The tune is done, man. It took forever to figure it out, get it going, but it's good. Man, that thing is fast. I was doing wide open throttle pulls and I was hauling. Like, it got to the point where I had to brake before even getting into second gear because there was just cars in front of me with like quarter of a mile. It's, oh man, it's gonna be so cool. It's gonna be such a good race. I'm super excited for it. I just got back from the gym. I'm gonna do a little bit more work on the rat rod. Just put the new paddles back on right there and get it ready to load up tomorrow, send it off. Okay, you guys, we got the same paddles on and it is ready for race day. So I'll probably do some testing while I'm out there for the next couple days because we're leaving tomorrow actually. So I had to really get it done today, but all good, tune's all good. We're ready. We are ready for this. Rudy doesn't know what's coming. He saw this thing race on bad timing, no tune. And he was like, man, that thing glides. Man, this thing has good timing and a good tune now. So it's to our advantage. So you guys, we brought the rat rod. It made it. Tuning's all good. Sand paddles on. Trailered it all the way out here with Jace. And we got the jalopy right here.
Dude, jalopy made freeway speeds.
Yeah.
The front tires are going like this a little bit, but we're good.
The jalopy was a little sketch. The rat rod, it was fine. It was strapped down on the trailer, so we didn't have to worry about it. We're getting all set up here right now, getting ready for the event. You guys, I'm here with the rat rod and my dad. Rudy's rig is right here. We're gonna go into the arena a little bit and just show it off for our race tomorrow. Let's see how this goes. How do you think it's gonna do?
Oh, we're gonna do amazing. We're smoking them.
Hell yeah, let's get it. First race done. He got the wet side first time, so I'm getting the wet side now. So we'll see how that goes. Let's get it.
Here they come.
We're gonna have to walk up that thing. Guys, so first race, he won, he was on the wet side. Second race, I won, I was on the wet side. So these machines are honestly just even. We need like a truly all dry or truly all wet race to figure out who's the real winner. Hey, maybe we'll race on the asphalt next. Let's see. Should I go ask him? All right, Jace, guess what?
What?
Rudy agreed to an asphalt race with the both
Yes.
the rat rods.
Yes.
So we're gonna make that happen sometime
That is
real
a
soon.
perfect ending to this, to know there's more.
Which one is the real rat rod, the
Yes.
real best rat rod? Because then it's even track.
Dude, I'm so excited.
Let's go.
I'm so excited.